Dear students, a shortcut way to identify simple, complex, or compound sentence. Actually, when you will find a subordinate conjunction such as till, until, though, although, as if, as though, since, because, that, so that, in order that, so dot dot that, as dot dot as, so dot dot as, before, after, while, when, where, why, how, whoever, whatever, however, whenever, wherever. In any sentence, it indicates complex sentence. And when you will find coordinate conjunction such as for, and, nor, or, but, yet, still, etc., then it will indicate compound sentence. Otherwise, every sentence will be simple sentence. Thank you.